Week's mission, Operation Comparison. We've increased sibling tension by 17% with slightly unequal servings of dessert.
Let's be honest. Kids don't need secret societies to compare themselves and measure up using someone else's ruler. A single birthday party with a bigger bounce house will do the trick. But here's the twist. Comparison is more than just human nature. It's actually a business model. The more our kids feel like they're not enough, the more someone profits. Hey, I'm Greg, dad, marketer, and host of Inspiring Next Gen Wealth. I've seen both sides, how brands hype us into buying and how kids absorb that hype before they even know what an algorithm is. So today we're pulling back the curtain on the Veil of Shadows, a secret society built on making kids crave more, compare more, and feel just a little bit worse. And after the sketch, I'll share the real antidote, how to help kids compare less, create more, and buy because it matters, not just because it matches. Let's go.
Comparison shrinks joy. When kids measure themselves by what others have, confidence fades. Help them see their worth and who they are, not what they own.
Brothers and sisters, welcome to the 4,993rd meeting of the Veil of Shadows. Week's mission, Operation Comparison. We've increased sibling tension by 17% with slightly unequal servings of dessert.
Tired of equal slices? Introducing the Birthday Boss. Its super slice spoke guarantees the birthday person gets the biggest piece. Make them feel extra special.
According to our classroom agents, envy levels among 5-year-olds have reached record highs, thanks to limited edition glow in the dark Velcro.
New feature added to all devices. Auto-looping reels of kids with better stuff.
Sorry to interrupt, but the kids are asking questions. One of them said, "It's okay to be different." Another one turned off notifications.
What if they learn self-worth isn't measured in square footage or screen size?
They'll stop buying. They'll start creating. They'll feel enough.
Maybe they are enough. Maybe we stop convincing kids they need more to matter.
That the nephew?
Yep. Otherwise, he'd already be dismissed or dematerialized, or whatever we're calling it this quarter.
Let's not give up on Operation Comparison. Get me Ramsey and a unicorn-themed bounce house, now.
The nephew?
Yep. Otherwise, he'd already be dismissed.
All right, welcome back. So what did we just watch in the Veil of Shadows? They weren't joking about comparison. They were exposing a real truth. When kids, and honestly adults too, think our worth depends on what we own, we'll never feel like we're enough. Dr. Becky in Good Inside reminds us that every child is already good, already enough, no purchase required. In the book, The Me, Me, Me Epidemic, it warns that when kids measure themselves by what others have, entitlement grows and gratitude shrinks. In the book, Happy Money, researchers show that joy comes when we keep treats special and by experiences, not endless stuff. And Morgan Housel in The Psychology of Money says it simply, wealth is what you don't see, the quiet confidence of not needing to prove yourself. For parents, that means helping our kids see that their value isn't tied to the square footage of their room, their sneakers, or the number of presents. For kids, it means you don't have to have the newest thing to be awesome. Sometimes the cardboard box spaceship really is better than the toy it came in. Here's one small parenting takeaway you can try this week. Tonight at dinner or bedtime, try this simple question. What's one thing today that made you feel proud? Not because of what you got, but because of what you did. Celebrate the answer, write it down. That builds self-worth that can't be sold back to them later. Comment down below What's something that you've done that made you feel proud without buying a single thing? Let's share ideas that the Veil of Shadows would hate. If comparison shrinks joy, what grows it? Join us in the next episode where a writer's room brainstorm shows how to teach generosity that actually works. Some ideas involve kombucha, reverse Santa, and FDA-approved kindness. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.